Making light work of, make light work of. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, make light work of. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding these expressions can enhance your fluency and comprehension skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to make light work of something and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English conversations. Make light work of is an idiom that means to complete a task easily and quickly, often because you are skilled at it or you have help. This phrase emphasizes the effortlessness with which a task is accomplished, suggesting that it was neither challenging nor time-consuming. It's like saying something was a piece of cake. Let's break down the components of make light work of. Make, to cause, to be, to bring about. Light, in this context, it means not heavy or not difficult. Work, the task or activity that needs to be done. Of, used here to relate the work to the task being discussed. Combining these, the phrase suggests making a task feel less heavy or difficult, thereby making it easier to complete. To better understand how to use make light work of, let's look at some examples. She made light work of the report, finishing it hours before the deadline. This means she completed the report easily and quickly. With the right tools, we can make light work of this garden renovation. Here, it implies that having appropriate tools will make the renovation easy to accomplish. When using make light work of, remember it's typically used in contexts where tasks are completed with surprising ease. It's perfect for situations where you want to highlight efficiency and skill. However, it's less appropriate for tasks that are inherently easy or require minimal effort by default. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, make light work of, and how you can use it to express completing tasks easily and quickly. English is full of such expressions that can make your language richer and more vivid. Keep practicing, and soon you'll make light work of English learning itself. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.